Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make 5-bean soup. We will begin by exploring the wonderful variety of beans and other fresh ingredients that make this soup so special. Then, I will guide you through the simple cooking process, from preparing your vegetables to simmering the perfect broth. Finally, we will discuss delightful ways to serve and enjoy your homemade creation, ensuring a satisfying meal for everyone. To start, gather your essential ingredients for this robust soup. Select 5 different types of beans. Popular choices include kidney, cannellini, black, pinto, and great northern beans. You will also need 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all finely chopped to release their flavors. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready, along with 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and your favorite herbs like thyme and bay leaves. Now let's move on to the cooking instructions for your 5-bean soup. If you are using dried beans, remember to soak them overnight or use a quick soak method. Begin by sautéing your chopped onion, carrots, and celery in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add the prepared beans, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, and your chosen seasonings to the pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 1 hour, or until the beans are tender. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade 5-bean soup. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of flavor, garnish each serving with fresh chopped parsley or a swirl of a dairy-free cream alternative. This hearty soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last drop. Savor the rich, comforting flavors and feel good about the nutritional benefits of this wholesome, homemade meal. It's a perfect dish for any time of year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.